Picture windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Mesa who want to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed outdoor views. Their large, fixed glass design can make interiors feel brighter, more open, and visually connected to the surrounding landscape. However, because Mesa is known for its intense heat and strong sunlight, energy efficiency is a key factor to consider when installing picture windows. With the right features and proper planning, these windows can deliver both beauty and performance. One of the most important considerations is heat transfer. Mesa's hot climate means that windows are constantly exposed to direct sunlight, which can increase indoor temperatures if not properly managed. Picture windows, due to their size, have a greater surface area, making it essential to choose glass that minimizes heat gain. Modern energy-efficient glass options are designed to reflect a portion of the sun's heat while still allowing natural light to enter, helping keep indoor spaces cooler. Low emissivity, or low E, coatings are especially important for picture windows in Mesa homes. These coatings are applied to the glass to reflect infrared heat while allowing visible light to pass through. This means homeowners can enjoy bright, sunlit interiors without the added heat that typically comes with large windows. Low-E glass also helps reduce glare and protect interior furnishings from fading caused by ultraviolet rays. Another key feature to consider is multi-pane glass construction. Double or triple pane picture windows include layers of glass with insulating spaces in between, often filled with gas. These layers act as a barrier against outdoor temperatures, reducing the amount of heat that enters the home. In Mesa's climate, this added insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and reducing reliance on air conditioning. Frame material also plays a role in energy efficiency. High-quality materials such as vinyl and fiberglass are designed to resist heat transfer and maintain their structural integrity under extreme conditions. Unlike some older materials that can warp or conduct heat, these modern frames help keep indoor temperatures stable. A durable frame also ensures a tight seal, preventing hot air from entering through gaps. Proper installation is just as important as the materials themselves. Even the most energy-efficient picture window can underperform if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the window is sealed tightly and aligned properly, eliminating air leaks and maximizing insulation. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and improves overall energy performance. Window placement is another important factor. In Mesa homes, positioning picture windows to minimize direct afternoon sun exposure can significantly reduce heat gain. North-facing windows tend to receive more consistent, indirect light, while south-facing windows can be optimized with shading solutions. Strategic placement allows homeowners to enjoy natural light without increasing cooling demands. Shading options can further enhance energy efficiency. Exterior features such as overhangs, awnings, or landscaping elements can help block direct sunlight during the hottest parts of the day. Interior solutions like blinds or shades also provide additional control over light and heat. Combining these strategies with energy-efficient glass creates a more balanced and comfortable indoor environment. While picture windows do not open, they can still be part of an effective ventilation strategy when paired with operable windows nearby. This allows homeowners to enjoy both natural light and fresh air without compromising energy efficiency. The fixed design of picture windows also means fewer moving parts, which helps maintain a consistent seal over time. Maintenance is relatively simple but important for long-term performance. Keeping the glass clean ensures maximum light transmission, while regular inspection of seals helps prevent air leaks. Well-maintained windows continue to provide energy-saving benefits and maintain their appearance for years. In conclusion, picture windows can be both visually striking and energy efficient when designed with the right features for Mesa's climate. By focusing on heat-reducing glass, insulated construction, durable frames, proper placement, and professional installation, homeowners can enjoy bright, open spaces without sacrificing comfort. With thoughtful planning, picture windows become a valuable addition that enhances both the beauty and efficiency of any Mesa home.